ఇప్పటివరకు తెలంగాణ నిర్జెట్ ఫోరం వాళ్ళు వేసినటువంటి డాక్యుమెంటరీ ఫిలిం తిరగబడ్డ తెలంగాణ మరియు యాది సినిమా డాక్యుమెంటరీని మనందరం తిలకించాం. వారికి తెలంగాణ ఉద్యమాభివందనాలు తెలియజేస్తూ, మిత్రులారా, తెలంగాణ రిసోర్స్ సెంటర్ టిఆర్సి చర్చ ప్రతి శనివారం సాయంత్రం నడుపుతూ ఉంది. దాన్ని ఆదరిస్తున్న మీ అందరికీ కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలియజేస్తూ, ఈ వారం హైదరాబాద్ దక్కన్ ప్రాంతం విభిన్న భాషా సంస్కృతి నిలయం పార్ట్ 2 చర్చకు ఇచ్చేసినటువంటి స్పీకర్లను స్టేజ్ పైకి ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాం. అకాడమిషియన్ అండ్ సోషల్ యాక్టివిస్ట్ శ్రీ ఆనందరాజ్ వర్మ గారిని వేదికపైకి రావాల్సిందిగా విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాం. వెల్కమ్ సార్. అదేవిధంగా శ్రీ మహేందర్ సింగ్ గారు అడ్వకేట్ సార్ వారిని వేదికపైకి ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాం. వెల్కమ్ సార్. ప్లీజ్ వెల్కమ్ సార్. శ్రీ సతీష్ గోవింద్ షా సార్ గారిని వేదికపైకి ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాం. వెల్కమ్ సార్. అదేవిధంగా రామకృష్ణ షాబెనేకర్ గారిని వేదికపైకి ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాం. వెల్కమ్ సార్. అదేవిధంగా బుద్ధిస్ట్ ట్రస్ట్ చైర్మన్ రామస్వామి గారిని వేదికపైకి రావాల్సిందిగా విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాం. రామస్వామి గారు. మిగతా మనకు రావాల్సినటువంటి శ్యామ్ సుందర్ ప్రసాద్ గారు మరియు మిగతా మిత్రులు కూడా చర్చకు వచ్చి మనలో చర్చలో పాల్గొంటారు. వాళ్ళు కూడా మన చర్చలో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తారు. ఈనాటి చర్చకు మన ఆనందరాజ్ వర్మ గారు అధ్యక్షత వహిస్తూ ఈ చర్చను కంటిన్యూ చేస్తారు. దీనికంటే ముందు ఈ చర్చకు సంబంధించినటువంటి విషయాన్ని, ఉద్దేశాన్ని తెలంగాణ రిసోర్స్ సెంటర్ చైర్మన్ వేదకుమార్ గారిని స్వాగతోపన్యాసం చేయవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాం. ప్లీజ్ వెల్కమ్ సార్.
Once again, I take the opportunity to invite today's guests who have authority on about Hyderabad culture, their association with Hyderabad. Friends, this is the 88th discussion session is being held by TRC, Telangana Resource Center, in this premises every Saturday. Normally we start at 5:30. Whenever there is a possibility of some kind of association with the films or some exhibition, we try to have it just before the meeting. So today we have taken the opportunity to screen few films which is made by young friends here. Netizens, Telangana Netizens Forum organized recently Telangana Film Festival. In that they awarded few films. Out of that today, Tirugabada Telangana, Ajay Pullepalli is the filmmaker. Young filmmakers in a very short time with a limited budget, and they communicated the people's interest, and it is a social, useful information. So this TRC has had many sessions on about especially the Dakkani culture and about its infrastructure and geographical condition and cultural association and what kind of infrastructure we had, railways, roadways, aviation, industries in Hyderabad, right from Qutub Shahis we have discussed. So earlier also we had one session on the syncretic culture of the Hyderabad Deccan. So this is the second session, and I'm happy to say that the first session also was presided by none other than Anand Raj Verma Sahab. And today also we requested him, because he's sparing time for 2-3 hours is very difficult, and he's very busy in every day. he is a research. He is in the research. So recently his book, one of the book, is Mohalla, Gully and Koche. He has written in Hindi, and we also requested him to publish in English, and even that Hindi book also we have to take it to the people. So many sessions in television interviews with a Urdu channel, even a ETV, is interviewed about it and is spoken about Hyderabad. So now what we thought is Hyderabad, especially Hyderabad, unlike any city in the country, especially when we take it from Qutub Shahi period onwards, say about more than 400 years back, when we speak. Though Persians from Iran, we had a Qutub Shahis here. I do not want to take much time, but with the permission of chair, and those days also, what I would like to say, few things is, they try to invite the best of the people from all over the world, best of the people from all over the country. So they invited artisans, they have invited, I recognize the presence of Dr. Shyam Sundar Prasad sir is one of the speaker. Aye, that's all. Please come, that's all. So friends, that's how administrators they invited, financial experts they invited artisans, and people from art, people from culture, best right. So that's how almost it is a miniature of India. So we have right from north to south down, hundreds and thousands of families was invited to Hyderabad state. So that's how this beautiful city got a syncretic culture, and people from different languages, different religion, they are here. So that is the kind of life we had a beauty in Hyderabad. People whomever we invited, whether Qutub Shahi period or Asaf Jahi period, people have come, they felt that they are in a motherland. They made the place as their motherland. To tell you frankly, with my experience, I am 62 years, but Hyderabad Association maybe for more than 40 years. It's more than the people from this Telugu of Hyderabadi, people from different language background who have come from outside than this state or Hyderabad state, or they feel more as their Hyderabadis, and we recognize them that more they are the Hyderabadis. That's how. That is a bond they have. So that's how today, we have taken the opportunity. This is the second session, but different people from Uttar Pradesh, people from Gujarat, we have here, and people from Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Marathwada, and Uttar Pradesh, and Punjab, and a friend from Pakka Hyderabad. See, we wanted Zainuddin Nair Sahab also from Hyderabad, but we wanted some Hyderabad from both Hindu and Muslim, the combination. There's a plenty. We are going to have a number of sessions like this. So the idea here, this discussion normally we are totally documenting. See, this will go to, we will be making a documentary. Always that is available from the hearts of the friends. A friends who are speaking today, just not because they are from Maharashtra, because he is from Punjab. No, they have their background. their association, and they represent their community. They understand city, they live with the city, and with the experience they will be speaking here. So that, as well as live webcast we have. Right now, many people at many places abroad, here, even a neighbors next lane also people are watching this program. Those are unable to come, they'll be seeing in the mositv.com. And again, we'll be publishing the we'll be printing, we'll publish the entire thing in the print form. And it is available in the YouTube. In 2 days, we'll be loading in the YouTube every speech in that. So that's how we want. This will be a not small room. Only interested friends will come. Otherwise, almost like a studio, we are documenting your opinion. And it is a very informal. And so, friends, with these few words, definitely today we'll try to know more about our friends, their association, their families, and centuries together, our Hyderabad culture, and how we wanted Hyderabad to be tomorrow. With these few words, again, I'll hand over the mic to Anand Raj Verma sir. And today, Satish Govind Shah sir is from Raja Bhagwan Das family, Bhagwan Das Sahib's jeweler of Asaf Jahis, and Govind Sahib's son. And Ramaswamy Garu is a Buddhist, ex-chairman of the Buddhist Trust. And we have Mahendra Singh Sahib, advocate, and also Singh Trust, chairman of the Singh Trust, and Anand Raj Verma Sahib, our historian, academician, and he is chairing many organizations in the chair. And Dr. Shyam Sundar Prasad Sahib, very popular, Muralidhar Bagh, ophthalmologist, and especially is interested about the Hyderabad, and their families contributed a lot to Hyderabad. And Hyderabad Dil Ki Dhadkan hai, who are sitting here. See, even my childhood, I'm telling you, love to go to Muralidhar Bagh with my chicha and my father and mother when for eye test. I love to go travel with them to Muralidhar Bagh to see his clinic, outside we used to sit along with them. And that's how the family generations they are serving this city. And he's so much interested about to know. He comes to this program, sir, to listen to friends. He selects the particular topic and speakers. Dr. Shyam Sundar Prasad, maybe 10 or 12 times he has come. 2 times he was a speaker, but 10 times, 12 times he came. Even Shah Sahib also came. I was surprised. So much interested in a small discussion here. And Ramakrishna, he retired from the Department of Industries. He was a joint director. And at the same time, his quest is from Maharashtra. And quest to know history and appreciate the history of this land. See, once they have come, their forefathers came and settled here. They feel they're more of son of the soil than us, I'm telling you. So they keep the spirit of this region, Deccan Hyderabad region, they have kept alive. The culture of Hyderabad. We are not against to any other. Anybody, even our friends now, just our Andhra brothers who are here 57 years, if they would have feel more than us, they would have become the leaders of this region, I'm telling you. We wouldn't have any objection. But they have not. The Parsis who has come, Iranians who have come, just talk to them. They try to talk more about this region than you and me. That is the beauty. So only some people come here to exploit the resources. And even sometimes they talk negatively about this culture, the language. Even Hyderabadi Urdu, they insult, So let me not go to some kind of controversy, but the question is to tell you that how they try to, Ramakrishna traveled all over Andhra Pradesh and is interested in the history. Many times he contributed his this thing to the people of this region's importance. And to Telangana movement he was there, and he wrote, he has published a book, Martyrs of those times, 69, when 369 martyrs, but he brought out immediately. Those days, the printing, publication so difficult, but he made some 40 or 50 martyrs. He went and interviewed and published I think he failed to bring today, but definitely I told him that if he can make that book available, we'll make a copy and see that we'll try to make it more available to friends, and we can even go for the second edition. With these few words, I'll hand over the mic to Andraj Varma sir. Then other Nair sir will come, and Jabak sir also will come. Will join with you, sir. Thank you very much.
तेलंगाना के भाइयों की सेवा में नमस्कार और आदाब. Passionate Telanganites on the dais and off the dais. This is my second term here that I feel myself proud to be associated with a movement which was started long back. In 1953, if I remember, I was in intermediate second year in City College, and there we had a movement, not Telangana movement, it was called as non-mulki movement. There was a police firing. We shouted some slogans, ran into the lanes opposite City College. My friends Krishna Reddy, Jagannath, Gurnath Prasad Saxena, they were all arrested in 1953, just opposite main road of City College. Then 1956, 55, 56, there was again a movement against the appointment of Dr. D.S. Reddy as the Vice Chancellor of Osmania University. We were in BSc second year, final year. We used to come from the Arts College to Hyderabad to Fateh Maidan, assemble there, convene meetings. Our leader was Mr. Akram Khan, who was the president of the Science College Students' Union. Then, you know very well the 1969 movement, a bloody movement where hundreds of young students were shot down. There was curfew time and again. Everything went astray in those days. And then 7 to 8 years back, again, the voice of Telangana was raised. And now that the central government has given us Telangana on paper, de jure, not de facto. It is de jure announcement with a stigma sown in the hearts and minds of many people of Simandhra about the future of Hyderabad city. It has become a contentious issue, and I'm sure the government and the people of Simandhra and Telangana would sit together and solve this problem. The title itself is indicative of what our culture is. Syncretic culture. Mushtareka tehzeeb. Mili juli sanskriti. Someone has called the Hyderabad tehzeeb as the salad bowl of cultures, where you will find not only the culture of one religion, one sect, but cultures of various sects, various religions, various beliefs, मुख्तलिफ अक़ीदों, मुख्तलिफ तहज़ीब, मुख्तलिफ मज़ाहिब के मानने वालों का ये मिला जुला कल्चर है. इसे आप या तो हैदराबादी तहज़ीब बोलेंगे या फिर इसे आप दक्कनी तहज़ीब बोलेंगे. दक्कन एंड हैदराबाद आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री टू ईच अदर. वो एक दूसरे के पूरक है. हैदराबाद भी वही है, दक्कन भी वही है. आज से लगभग 450 साल पहले मुल्ला वजही, a poet in the court of Qutub Shahs, said, दक्कन मुल्क भौतिच खासा है. In Dakkani, Hyderabad Dakkani. दक्कन मुल्क भौतिच खासा है. Now look, तेलंगाना उसका खुलासा है. 500 years back, the word Telangana was used in relation to Dakkan. दक्कन मुल्क बहुत ही खासा है, तेलंगाना उसका खुलासा है। दक्कन मुल्क अजब खंदन साज है कि सब मुल्क सर और दक्कन ताज है। दक्कन है नगीना, शाह साहब, दक्कन है नगीना, अंगूठी है जग। दक्कन है नगीना, अंगूठी है जग, अंगूठी को हुर्मत नगीना ही लग। एंड देन द पोएट एट द एंड सेज कि दक्कन सा ठार नहीं संसार में। I welcome Bhai Nanak Singh Ji Nishtar, whose ancestors came to Hyderabad about 180 years back from Punjab. His great-grandfather, or perhaps his father, was one of the Jathedars of 106, that means head of one Jatha. And they are responsible of consecrating of establishing the Gurudwara, the first Gurudwara in Hyderabad. Am I right, sir? Thank you. Then the poet says, दक्कन सा नहीं ठार संसार में, दक्कन सा नहीं ठार संसार में, कि बंज फाजिला का है इस ठार में. And then another poet says that फिजा जां फिजा जर्रा जर्रा हंसी है, हकीकत में मुल्के दक्कन गुल जमी है. अरे बहुत खुशनुमा शहर देखे हैं मैंने, मगर तेरा जादू कहीं भी नहीं है. अगर महरो उल्फत की जन्नत कहीं है, नियर साहब तशरीफ लाइए, अगर महरो उल्फत की जन्नत कहीं है तो बेशक यही है, यही है, यही है. So this was the sentiments expressed by the poets, and I still remember, please permit me, कि मुल्ला गवासी, a poet of Abdullah Qutub Shah, says, जो शहर इस शाह का है हैदराबाद, सादत और बखा इसके है बुनियाद, सरासर इस नगर का सो हुआ है, दुखों का सुख मरीज़ां का दवा है. So he says that this शहर cures ailments. And then किसी हिंदी शायर ने कहा था कि चार मीनार, मक्का मस्जिद और मूसी का पानी, चार मीनार, मक्का मस्जिद और मूसी का पानी, एक बार जो आए मुसाफिर, हम सब मुसाफिर हैं जो आज से लगभग 200 साल पहले भारत के विभिन्न प्रांतों से यहाँ आए थे, एक बार जो आए मुसाफिर क्या घर लौट जानी, यानी एक बार ही आने के बाद घर जाता क्या उन्हें, यहीं रहता. यानी गंडीपेट के पानी में वो तासीर है, हैदराबाद की हवाओं में वो शक्ति है, वो प्रभाव है, वो दम है, वो हुस्न है कि आदमी एक बार आने के बाद यहाँ होकर रहता है. So I have set the ball rolling. I'll speak later, friends. Now may I, आप शुरू करें? May I invite one of the intellectuals of city. ये इक़बाल एकेडमी के सेक्रेटरी हैं और मजलिस तामीर मिल्लत से वाबस्ता हैं. जब मजलिस तामीर मिल्लत की बात आती है तो मैं जनाब सैयद खलीलुल्लाह हुसैनी की खिदमत में, उनकी रूह की खिदमत में आदाब बजा लाता हूँ कि उन्होंने मेरी रहनुमाई की अनवार उलूम में और मेरे किरदार की तश्कील उन्हीं के सरपरस्ती में हुई अनवार उलूम में. तो ये बिलोंग टू दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो मैं जनाब ज़ियाउद्दीन नैयर साहब से अदबन गुजारिश करता हूँ कि वो आज के मौजू पर कि हैदराबादी तहजीब क्या है और फिर हैदराबाद को क्या होना चाहिए, क्या इसे तेलंगाना का सदर मुकाम रहना चाहिए या हम इसे हाथ में लेकर हम किसी और के हवाले कर दें. तो ये जो हमारे जज्बात हैं क्या हैं, मैं आपसे गुजारिश करूंगा कि इस पर रोशनी डालें. जनाब ज़ियाउद्दीन साहब नैयर.
बैठे, आके बैठे भी नहीं थे कि उठाए गए. तो मुझे ये नहीं मालूम कि اور کون سی تقاریر، لیکن میرے یہ استاد محترم ہیں آنند راج ورما صاحب.
نارملی 20-20 میچ ہوتا ہے تو ہارڈ ہٹر کو پہلے بیٹنگ کی جاتی ہے، اس لیے میں نے آپ کو انوائٹ کیا. آپ الفاظ کے اسٹروک پلیئر.
تو بعض وقت اوپننگ بیٹسمین جو ہے ایک دم زیرو پہ آؤٹ ہو جاتا ہے گلیس کی وجہ سے اور بعض وقت جو ہے سینچری کر لیتا ہے. اینی وے ہمارے محترم استاد ہیں آنند راج ورما صاحب نے، انہوں نے جو میرے متعلق کہا وہ میری حیثیت سے بہت زیادہ ہے، لیکن بہرحال اور استاد کے سامنے زبان کھولنا بھی بہت مشکل ہوتا ہے. تو میں پورے بے ادبی کی معافی چاہتے ہوئے،
آج کل تو استادوں کی زبان کھینچ لی جا رہی ہے.
لیکن ہم اس تہذیب کے وارث ہیں جہاں ہم استاد کا احترام بالکل اپنے ماں باپ کی طرح کرتے ہیں. میں ڈائس پہ جو تشریف فرما ہے ان تمام معززین حضرات کا نام لیے بغیر، چونکہ میرا پورا تعارف بھی نہیں ہے، تو میں ان سے اور ہمارے نانک سنگھ صاحب، وید کمار صاحب اور آپ تمام اصحاب، بڑی مسرت ہے کہ مجھے اس اہل علم لوگوں کی محفل میں مدعو کیا گیا اور زبان کھولنے کی مجھے آپ نے دعوت دی. ابھی میں معافی چاہتا ہوں کہ 5:30 بجے کا وقت تھا، لیکن محبوب نگر اسی کام کے سلسلے میں گیا ہوا تھا اور وہاں پر ہم بیواؤں میں، وڈوز میں کچھ فائنانشیل اسسٹنس کرتے ہیں ہمارے ٹرسٹ کی طرف سے، تو وہ تقسیم کرنے کے لیے ہم لوگ گئے تھے. پروگرام پہلے سے بن چکا تھا، وید کمار صاحب نے پرسوں دعوت دی، تو بہرحال اس لیے میں تاخیر سے پہنچا. تاخیر کے لیے کچھ تاخیر جو تھی کچھ باعث تاخیر بھی تھا، تو یہ اس کی وجہ رہی. اور دوسری بات، وہاں دیکھ کر مجھے آج کے سیمینار کے سلسلے میں مجھے بڑا انسپریشن ملا محبوب نگر میں، کہ وہاں پر یہ تقسیم ہونے کے بعد ایک میڈیکل کیمپ لگایا گیا تھا اور مستفید ہونے والے، فائدہ اٹھانے والے جو مریض تھے سارے کے سارے مسلم خواتین تھے، لیکن اور جو ڈاکٹرز آپ کے جو میڈیکل کیمپ لگائے وہ غیر مسلم ہمارے بھائی تھے. اور اس محبت کے ساتھ انہوں نے کہا، ایک کا تو میں کارڈ اپنے جیب میں رکھتا ہوں، کہ ریڈی صاحب نے کہا، پرتم ریڈی صاحب نے، کہ ہمارا جو ہے ڈائگنوسٹک سینٹر ہے محبوب نگر میں، MRI ٹیسٹ کے لیے حیدرآباد میں 10,000 روپے خرچ ہوتے ہیں، لیکن غریب اور ضرورت مند لوگوں کے لیے میں یہاں پر اگر محبوب نگر کوئی آتے ہیں تو صرف 3,000 روپے میں وہ ٹیسٹ کر دوں گا. اور وہی مشینوں سے، ویسی ہی مشینیں جو حیدرآباد میں استعمال کی جاتی. تو ہمارے درمیان بہت سے، میں سمجھتا ہوں مور دین 90% لوگ آج ایسے ہی ہیں جو انسانیت کا درد رکھتے ہیں، جو دوسرے کے درد کو سمجھتے ہیں.